Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name, please? Nice to meet you, Mr. Omar. May I know what brings you here today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Tell me more. Is there anything else you want to add, Mr. Omar? Mm-hmm. I'm very sorry to hear about that, Mr. Omar, and I understand your worries that how a stressful situation would be for you. But to better understand your condition, I need to ask you a few questions. Is it okay with you, Mr. Omar? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Omar. So, can you tell me how it started? Mm-hmm. Okay. What symptoms are you experiencing? Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. And when did you started these palpitations? Okay. If it started suddenly or gradually. Okay. And how long it lasted? Okay. Have you noticed any triggers behind it? Mm-hmm. And how it stopped? Mm-hmm. And can you describe your heartbeat, Mr. Omar? Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you feel your heartbeat in your neck or throat? If you experience any chest discomfort, chest pain, any light headaches, or dizziness during episode. Mm-hmm. If you notice that you are about to faint, you fainted after that event. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, Ms. Omar. If there is any short of breath along with that, if you had any fever, nausea, vomiting. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, Ms. Omar. To understand better, I'll ask you a few personal questions. Is it okay with you? Thank you, Mr. Omar. So, Mr. Omar, can you tell me, do you smoke? How much cigarettes per day? Since how long? Have you ever tried to quit this habit? Mm-hmm. I really appreciate that, Mr. Omar, and we'll talk in detail in next appointment. How it sounds to you? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mr. Omar. Do you drink alcohol? Uh, how much units per day? Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you mean by socially? On socially and occasionally on weekends? Okay, you are social. Okay, all week. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, have you ever thought to quit this habit, Mr. Umar? Mm-hmm. Okay. I really appreciate it. We'll talk in detail. Okay, you need not to be worried, Mr. Umar. Okay, Mr. Umar, do you have any high blood pressure, high blood sugar, any heart-related problem? Have you had previous episodes of any heart arrhythmias? Mm-hmm. Any hospitalization? Mm-hmm. And do you have any asthma? Mm-hmm. Okay. And do you have any neck gland problem? Have you noticed any change in your voice? Mm-hmm. What kind of weather are you like the most? Mm-hmm. How about your bowel habits, Mr. Omar? Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. And what do you do for a living? How's everything at workplace? Okay. And so what kind of work you have to do if it is moving all around or you have to sit for a long period? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, Ms. Omar. If you are taking any medication prescribed by doctor or over the counter, do you have any allergies? Mm-hmm. If there is an immediate family member suffering from any heart rhythm disorder, high blood pressure, high blood sugar. How about your sleep pattern, Mr. Umar? All right, Mr. Umar. If you notice any cough, do you have any cough? Okay. Have you noticed any weight loss? All right, Mr. Umar. In order to better understand, I need to examine you. How it sounds to you, Mr. Umar? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Umar. Can you please come on the couch? Then I'll start from the general physical examination. I'll look at his face, if it is toxic, a sinus, lips, a sinus or tip of nose, and if there is any facial periorbital edema, and pattern of his breathing. And then I'll put two pillows and keep and elevate his neck to 45 degrees and check his JVP if it is rest, and then I'll check his heart, aortic, pulmonary, tricuspid, and mitral region, and then I'll auscultate his chest, apical, and bases, and middle lobe of right lobe. If there is any added sounds, and then I'll check his pulse if it is regular or irregular, and then palms if there is a pulmonary edema with moisty, and nails if there is any splinter hemorrhages, anything like that, and then check his abdomen if it is distended or not, if there is any fluid positive, and then I'll check his shins for edema. And then I'll ask patient to sit, and we'll check his neck gland from front and from back, and ask patient to swallow, and I'll check if it is moving, if it's swallowing or not. And then I'll ask patient to put his index finger on his nose tip, and then touch with my index finger, and then I'll ask patient to let me know if he can see my finger. I'm going to make a H in front of you, and then I'll check his knee reflexes and ankle reflexes. Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Umar. You can come on the chair. Okay, and then again I'll sanitize my hands. So, Mr. Umar, I'll offer you a few investigations, okay, to confirm my diagnosis, okay. But before I offer, can you tell me if you have undergone an investigation so far? All right, Mr. Umar. So here is ECG, okay, and if there will be any abnormality in ECG, okay, then I will offer heart monitoring, okay. It will monitor your heart beats for 24 hours, okay. It is a device and will be, leads will be applied on your chest, okay. And along with it, I'm offering you some blood test, a thyroid function test, and electrolytes. How it sounds to you, Mr. Umar? Is it convenient for you? All right, Mr. Umar. So besides that, I'm going to do some, as still your pulse is quite regular, okay, and fast. So I'm going to do some maneuvers, okay. Okay, and so can you please lie down? Okay, I'll do carotid massage from one side, okay, and then I'm going to put ice cold towel, okay, on your face, okay. And Mr. Umar, can you please cough? Try to cough, okay. That's how you can, your beat can become normal, okay. And besides that, I'll offer you some medication, okay, and that is bisoprolol, okay, 2.5 mg. You have to take it once a day, okay. It will limit your heart, okay, to normal levels, okay. And Mr. Umar, then after Holter monitoring, okay, and ECG and all that comes, okay, you can visit me anytime, okay. and then we'll decide, okay, if you need to be referred to a specialist, okay, and that a specialist will prescribe you some medications, okay, and maybe some catheter ablation type, okay, but it's totally in their hands, okay, and they will decide according to your condition, okay, if you are fit in this or not, okay. And besides that, I'll offer you some lifestyle modification, okay, Mr. Umar. And so I'll strongly recommend you to stop, smoking, okay, and stop drinking alcohol, okay, because it may worsen your condition, okay, if it makes sense to you, Mr. Umar. And along with that, I'll encourage you to decrease intake of tea and coffee, okay, and try to do some yoga or medication like things, okay, to relieve your anxiety, okay, and try to do anything which makes you happy, okay, and maintain healthy diet, okay, and green vegetables, okay, and fruits, okay, and try to maintain a healthy weight, okay. How it sounds to you, Mr. Umar? If there is anything else you want to discuss with me today? Yes, Umar, Mr. Umar. So there is safety netting that, whenever you feel such kind of palpitations, okay, I'll advise you to lie down, okay, and try to cough, okay. You can put ice cold towel on your face, okay, as well as a maneuver, okay. And besides that, you can blow air out of your mouth and put and you can close your nose and mouth, okay, with your fist, okay. And it can normalize your heartbeat, okay. And besides this, there is some safety netting, and that if you feel short of breath or fainting, if you notice any blood in your sputum, okay, any chest pain, okay, not and you are palpitation not resolving these maneuvers and treatment, okay, so you can seek immediate advice, okay. You can contact me anytime, okay. Is everything clear till now? Okay, Mr. Umar, here is a leaflet. It includes all the information regarding your condition. I hope it will be helpful for you. I wish you a healthy life. Bye-bye.